Hi, my name is Jeff DeWeese, and I'm the Chief Investment Officer at Orrick Capital Partners. Today we're going to talk about the Federal Reserve and whether and when they might cut rates. The Fed policy outlook from the June meeting is that rates are currently 4.25%. This has been unchanged since late 2024. Most officials expect 2 quarter points by year end. Support for an immediate cut in July is weak. Most members are waiting for more data. The Fed likes to say that it's data dependent. I guess that's good to know that they aren't just making up as they go along. The problem with being data dependent is that by the time they receive and deliberate over the data, it's old. The key data that they are watching is tariff-driven inflation and labor market trends. Markets are currently pricing in cuts beginning around September with a total of 2 before year end. Goldman Sachs forecasts the first cut in September, followed by additional cuts in October, December, and then again in early 2026. Fidelity's view echoes the current market. 2 cuts by the end of 2025, likely delayed until September due to the strong jobs market. Moving forward, the Fed wants clarity on how much higher import costs translate into consumer prices. The other key data points will be job growth, which was 147,000 in June, and a relatively low unemployment rate at 4.1%. Both numbers suggest strength, not the weakening needed to justify cuts. The minutes from the June meeting reflect a cautious tone, with only a few members seeking early cuts and more maintaining a wait-and-see stance. Again, the overall market is expecting 2 cuts later in the year. An interesting thought is that Trump wants lower rates in order to reduce the interest payments on the national debt. The path to lower rates is a higher unemployment rate and slower job growth. What if he lays off government workers, thereby weakening the labor data that the Fed is so carefully watching? Just something to think about. No one knows for certain what will play out, but a well-diversified portfolio can help withstand almost any scenario in order to keep you on track to reach your financial goals. As always, stay calm, stay diversified, and stay positive. From all of us at Orrick Capital Partners, we wish you all a great day.